Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Coding with Kabir. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how can you convert currencies using IntelliJ IDEA, which is Java. So without any further ado, first open IntelliJ IDEA. Then I'm going to full screen it. Then click on new project. I'm going to name it as currency. So I'm going to name it as CUY currency. I'm just gonna cross this out, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first close this tip. Now here I'm gonna create a few variables, but before that I'm gonna add a scanner because we will ask the user the first currency will be USD. The person will convert USD into a currency, and the currency that the person will convert into, the person get to choose which currency does the person want to convert that currency, convert USD. So if I just say scanner, I'm gonna call it SCN, scanner equals new scanner, some simple brackets, after that a semicolon, and inside the bracket system.in. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a scanner variable. We have a scanner, and I'm calling it SCN. You guys can call it whatever you want. So now, I'm gonna ask the person a question, and it's gonna be first just add a print line statement. System.out.println. And guys, if you're using Windows, it's not on Mac, but if you're using Windows, just type SYSOUT and then press Control Space. It makes the print line statement. It's only for Windows. Okay, I'm gonna print enter an amount in USD. Enter a amount in USD. Enter amount in USD. Great. Now I'm gonna add this sentence into the scanner class, into the scanner function. So I'm gonna say variable. Let's name it as CUR is equals to SCN dot next int. Semicolon dot next int. Not next, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna set this to integer because we are creating an integer. Wait, it's gonna be a var. Yes, now we have our sentence, which is enter amount in USD is stored in CUR variable. Now here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add, to check if our program is working, I'm gonna add a print line statement, and which is gonna say CUR. So now, if you guys have watched my scanners video, you'll probably know it just gets printed with the help of the variable name. So I can just enter 345, and it says 345. Great. But now it's gonna be really interesting. So I'm gonna delete the CUR, which is a short form for currency I wrote. I'm gonna say press. And here, after I write press, I'm gonna just create a new variable here. Variable, let's say x is equals to 1. Now after the semicolon, I'm gonna add a plus symbol, but after I wrote the press inside the semicolon, just add a space, and outside the semicolon I'm gonna add a plus symbol, and I'm gonna say x, then I'm gonna add another plus symbol, then I'm gonna add some more double quotes. Yes. Now I'm gonna say press X for INR. It's Indian rupee currency. INR. Now let's create the function for INR. So let's create an if loop, and if loop you can make it as if followed by brackets, then followed by curly brackets. So now comes the interesting part. We're gonna say if CUR is equals to 1, then we're gonna print the statement. Wait, I wrote it as 1 is equals to 1. Let me check what's the error. Cannot be applied to Java string. Okay, is equals to X, but I'm not sure. It's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna say if CUR is equals to let's just say 1, then we can print wait, okay. If it's okay, it's an interesting case. Yeah, wait, is it playing? So yeah, I'll just figure it out in less than a second and I'll tell you what's the answer. Yes guys, so I have another try which is gonna be equals to right here and a space right here, and it should actually work. Let me just write our command, which is gonna be interesting. Yeah, guys, with the magic of editing, I'll tell you what's the answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. So if I go to IntelliJ IDEA and if I not this project. Yep, that one. So here I'm gonna say if currency, I'm gonna just copy it and paste it. Oh wait. So if currency is equals to 1, there's no problem in the if condition. But here after scanner dot next, I'm gonna write in. See this? There's no more problem. So now I'm gonna say CUR. We are gonna multiply it by INR. So I'm gonna go to Google Chrome and I'm gonna see what is USD to INR. 79.65 Indian rupee times 79.65. 65. Great, we wrote the code for INR. Now let's write it for Canadian currency. So as I'm gonna create a new variable called variable y is equals to 2 semicolon. I'm gonna write a if loop, if brackets, curly braces, and here I'm gonna write if CUR is equals to 2, then I'm gonna print say CUR times Canadian dollars. So let's just say USD to CAD. And it is 1.33 Canadian dollar. 1.33. And yes, I'm gonna do 2 more, but before that, I'm gonna add here a comma and then say press. Do the same thing. Add a space after the press. Add a plus symbol. Say press Y. Add another press symbol. Add some double quotes, and I'm gonna say press Y for CAD. I'm gonna do one more, and for it is gonna be let me think. It can be, let's say, Singapore dollar. So I'm gonna say variable C is equals to 3 semicolon, and then an if loop, an if condition, and inside the if condition I'm gonna write CUR is equals to 3. Then I'm gonna print, it's gonna be CUR, and I'm gonna say SGD on Google, 1.41 Singaporean dollar. 1.41, yes, times 1.41. Great, and here I'm just gonna press C. So I'm gonna say press plus symbol, press C for SGD. And yes, I'm gonna run the code 3 times, and let's check it out. As you can see, it's running. Okay, enter it. Oh wait, I heard it in the wrong position. Enter amount in USD. So I'm just gonna copy all of this. Copy and delete it. Add a ending semicolon. And here with the comma, I'm gonna write this. Delete all the slashes, which is gonna not take too much time. Okay, wait, I have an idea. I'm just gonna press Command Z, and here press this for INR. I'm gonna just simply delete this all and write it again on the ending semicolon, and here I'm gonna write comma press plus Y plus double quotes for which one did we do for second one? CAD, and then comma press plus C plus semicolon and double quotes for SGD. Now it's gonna work. Enter an amount in USD. So I'm gonna add, say, as $100. Okay, as you can see, it's now waiting. And extremely sorry. And with the power of editing, again, I'm gonna tell you what's the answer in just less than a minute. Yes. So if I come back here, I'm gonna set this to NU. NU, it's number, and here I'm gonna say where CUR is equals to SCN dot next int the brackets and a semicolon, and now our program's gonna work. And with the magic of IntelliJ IDEA, the program's running. Enter amount in USD, $100. Press 1 for INR, press 2. Press 2 for CAD, press 3 for SGD. 1. 79.65, yeah, we timed 100. Okay, now let's try with another one. Let's say 150 this time. Press 1 for INR, 2 for CAD, 2. 2.66. 1.50 USD to CAD. Let me check. 1.50 1.150 USD to CAD. 198.99. And how? Maybe swap these. Wait, 1.33 first. 1.33 times symbol. Let's try it again. 150 and 2. 150 and press 2. 2.66 actually. Yeah, it might be a computer error. Okay, let's check the other one. Enter an amount in USD. Let's say $30. 3. Okay, wow. And yes, that was it for today's video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and please like the video. And if you please subscribe, because that motivates me to make more videos like this. And thank you for watching. And until next time, it's me, Kabir, logging off.